Everyone online is telling you AI can make you rich, but here's the problem: most AI side hustles are a complete waste of time. So I ranked 10 of the most popular AI side hustles from the worst to the best based on 3 simple questions. Can a beginner start today? Can it realistically make money? And is it worth your time? And trust me, the number one AI side hustle wasn't the one I expected. Let's start with number 10. Number 10. Selling AI art. AI can create beautiful images in seconds. The problem: millions of people are doing the exact same thing. Unless you already have an audience or a unique style, it's extremely difficult to stand out. That's why it takes the last spot. Number 9. AI logo design. Businesses need logos, but AI has made logo creation incredibly easy. That also means competition is everywhere. It's possible to earn money, but pricing pressure is high. Number 8. AI voiceovers. AI voices sound better than ever. Many creators need them. The challenge is that free tools are everywhere, so you need to offer something extra: better scripts, editing, or faster delivery. Number 7. AI presentation design. Businesses, students, and startups constantly need presentations. AI speeds up the process. If you know how to make slides look professional, this can become a valuable service. Number 6. AI social media content. Small businesses often don't have time to create posts every day. Using AI to draft content, and then improving it with your own ideas, can save them hours. That makes this a strong opportunity. Number 5. AI video editing. AI tools can remove silence, generate captions, and speed up editing. But remember, the tool doesn't replace creativity. People still pay for editors who know how to tell a story. Number 4. AI thumbnail design. A thumbnail decides whether someone clicks. AI can help generate ideas, but the best thumbnails still need human judgment. If you learn this skill, it can become a valuable service. Number 3. AI script writing. Every YouTube channel needs scripts. Businesses need emails. Brands need ads. AI can write a first draft. Your job is making it worth reading. Number 2. AI automation. Helping businesses automate repetitive work can save them time and money. It's a little harder to learn, but the demand is growing. Number 1. AI content strategy. This isn't about clicking one button, it's about understanding what people want to watch, read, or buy. AI helps you create faster, but strategy decides whether anyone actually pays attention. That's why I ranked it number 1. Here's the biggest lesson: don't chase every new AI tool. Tools change, skills don't. The people making real money with AI usually combine AI with a skill that businesses already value. That's the difference between using AI for fun and using AI to build an income. Remember, the goal isn't to learn every AI tool, it's to learn skills that people are willing to pay for. If that's the journey you're on, hit like, subscribe, and let's build it together. See you in the next video.